Collateral Damage Recall is the fourth incarnation of the project Collateral Damage. That is an immersive installation that speaks about the harm that humanity is causing unintentionally with the use and abuse of plastic. In this case, the exhibition has 94% of plastic versus the rest of the materials. We really want to bring closer to all our connection as family. Therefore, this is a family room. There's a bedroom behind us, and it speaks about us as all being together in this space, in this like lonely planet in the universe, that we want to survive together, as well as all the creatures on the land and air and the sea. As a non-media specific artist, using all possibilities, all the media that are available to reference the same issue, but that way connecting to people on a different level, sensorial. So I have paintings that are traditional paintings of the underwater that are done in acrylic. Then there are like little sculptures, and there's AR, there's photography, there's the spatial issues. There's installation that is considered non-functional art, period. There is a taxidermy animal, waterbed, which is very functional. So it's all of that like meshed together, some reflection on how our daily lives are, and speaks to us in a different voice with the different sounds. We have a nature sounds that is fighting with the sound of the advertisement in the background, as if you're in a bedroom where the TV is constantly going on. And so recreating this life as a real life, and in some ways as an attempt to blur the difference between the real life and the art, instead of constantly pointing out, oh, this is an art piece and this is represented on the wall, and there's a distance between artwork and the viewer. So in this case, I'm fighting the idea of the gallery with breaking down the central space that is always empty in gallery, with the sofa, and creating an environment that you can have a conversation, and somewhat confusing, but very familiar, because we all come with this experience of COVID, with this interior life in the living room. So I was bringing that out and bringing more audience into it.